Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that may just make your kids' toothbrushing routine a bit more fun and a lot more effective. I know getting the little ones to brush their teeth can sometimes be a challenge, but with the right tools, it becomes a lot easier. Today, we're checking out the Spinbrush Kids Replacement Heads with soft bristles, designed specifically for the Spinbrush Shimmery Sparkle and Glow-in-the-Dark handles. These replacement heads promise to be a game changer for parents trying to keep their children excited about brushing. But are they really worth the hype? Let's dive into what makes these brush heads stand out, how they perform, and whether they provide the value you expect. So first things first, these replacement heads come in a convenient 2-pack, designed to fit all Spinbrush Shimmery Sparkle and Glow-in-the-Dark handles. That's right. If you've already got one of these fun and colorful handles at home, you can just pop in these brush heads to keep your child's oral hygiene on track. What's even better is that they're designed with soft bristles, perfect for kids' delicate teeth and gums. Now let's get into the details. The main highlight here is the softness of the bristles. Unlike regular adult brushes that might be a bit too harsh for little mouths, these heads are made with just the right amount of firmness to clean without causing discomfort. If you've ever worried about brushing being too rough on your kids' gums, these soft bristles should put your mind at ease. Another feature I really like is the color wear indicator. The bristles actually fade with use, which is a helpful reminder for when it's time to swap out the brush head for a fresh one. This small but clever addition helps parents ensure their child's brush head is always in top condition and hygienic. In terms of usability, I found these brush heads to be super easy to install and use. They fit securely onto the handles, ensuring that they won't slip off mid-brush. The whole process from installing the head to using it feels smooth and hassle-free, which is important when you're trying to make brushing something fun and easy for your child. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of these replacement heads. Pros. Soft bristles are gentle on kids' sensitive gums and teeth. The color wear indicator is a brilliant way to keep track of when it's time to replace the brush head. They fit perfectly with Spinbrush Shimmery Sparkle and Glow-in-the-Dark handles, so no compatibility issues here. The 2-pack offers great value, ensuring you've got a backup brush head when the first one wears out. Cons. They are specifically designed for the Spinbrush handles, so if you don't already own one, this might not be useful. If your child doesn't like the brush design or the fact that it's a kid's brush, you might run into some resistance, but that's more of a personal preference than a flaw with the product itself. As for value for money, I'd say these replacement heads do offer good value. Considering the longevity of the brush heads, the added convenience of the color wear indicator, and the fact that they are designed for kids, this 2-pack seems reasonably priced. You're saving money and plastic by opting for these refills rather than buying a whole new toothbrush set. Comparing these to other kids' toothbrush heads, the soft bristles are definitely a standout feature. Many other brands offer softer or regular bristle options, but not all come with a color indicator, which makes it easier to know when it's time to replace them. When it comes to build quality, these brush heads feel sturdy and reliable. I haven't noticed any issues with durability so far, and I'd expect them to last as long as any other kid-friendly toothbrush head. The materials used seem to be both safe and well-made. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. While I haven't had any direct experience with customer support for this product, Spinbrush, being part of a well-known brand, tends to have a reputation for good customer service. So if any issues arise, I'm confident they'll be addressed promptly. So what do you think of these replacement heads? If you've used them before, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and how they worked for your family. In terms of alternatives, there are some similar products on the market, but these Spinbrush heads have the clear advantage of being designed specifically for kids with softer bristles and the color wear feature. If you're looking for a more affordable option, you could explore other brands that offer replacement heads for kids. But I do think the Spinbrush design has a fun kid-friendly appeal that makes brushing a bit more exciting for the younger ones. To wrap it up, the Spinbrush Kids Replacement Heads are a solid choice for parents looking to maintain their child's oral hygiene with ease. They are easy to use, provide great comfort for little mouths, and offer good value for the price. While the design may not be for everyone, I think these will work perfectly for most families who are already using Spinbrush handles. Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic. You can find the link to purchase this product in the comments below. If you've used this product, share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.